So we'll go and start off with the 2-inch attachments, right? So we've had traditionally this is almost our 20th anniversary from Nourishment. So we have completely changed our 2-inch attachments. Now there's no need for an adapter to put on the front, right? So we can connect to DeWALT, Makita, or Senco. All you do, you take these off now, you just push this, pull it off.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
These are specific to
Yes.
Makita. So we need to order product number DS230M1 for Makita.
Correct.
Screw gun.
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
Yep. So we have one for each. This one specifically fits the DeWALT.
Gotcha.
This one specifically fits the corded and cordless Makita.
Poor Ryan, I cut him off before he had a chance to say
you're
it.
good.
Sorry, buddy.
You're good. No, I love it being interactive.
Good. It's
So,
easy again. I brought my guys over this time.
But yeah, so this guy here, easy to index. So if you go close to the ground,
Oh, that's
or something,
awesome.
So very easy to move that, manipulate that around. We have our corner fit technology, which is patented with Senco, which basically means when you're going into the corners, the bit actually comes out way past the end of the nose piece.
That's nice.
So you can get in the corners a lot easier, something that Senco only has. And also with this new nose piece, better line of sight, as well as toenailing. So you can really grip it to get into more crating applications or decking.
I will say this. You know what's great about that is that when you have to do your corner seams,
Yes.
getting in tight,
Getting
you
in
always
tight.
have to adjust the nose. You have to adjust the nose
Yep.
cone just to get it deep enough and run that seam.
Yep.
This looks like I might not have to do so much adjustment.
Right. Yeah, if you want to give it a shot.
It's okay. I'm good. I'm gonna let you do all the
right.
shooting.
So, similar to all these are feet on return now, meaning that screw is in place. So there is no more as you push in, the screw comes up. Now the screw's ready to go.
Cool. It's nice. Now, where's the? Sorry, I have to play with it.
No, I love questions. So I would rather, it makes it less nerve-wracking too, right?
My depth
When
adjustment
you're active.
is where? Here?
Yep. So all you do is push this button in,
Okay, this button in.
and then you rotate that guy.
Okay,
So
so-
if you rotate it this way,
Deeper and
so this is deeper, that's more up.
and then we're ready to go.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. And then you would always be in like this area, right? In the corner, you would never, you always, when you have a non-collated attachment, you always have to adjust that nose cone to get that screw fully sunk. You have to adjust that nose cone. But even if, it doesn't look like we'd have that issue here, but even if, it's so much easier to adjust, in my opinion. Cool. Thank you.
So that is our 2-inch attachment. Like I said, Makita, Senco, or DeWALT.
No Milwaukee though, right?
No Milwaukee.
Right.
Boo. Yeah. So on this side, we now have our latest integrated tools. So Senco, we were the first ones to come out with that integrated tool back about 20 years ago. So we completely updated this. We started off as calling this a quote-unquote 2.5 version. Well, it turned into more of a 3.0 with all the features we added. Same stuff as this. So our corner fit technology, easy adjustable front end. So if you got to adjust whatever size your length your screw is.
And this is specific for self-tapping?
So this one here, we have 3 different versions. We have our low-speed 2-inch, our low-speed 3-inch. So this you can do up to a 3-inch screw.
Okay.
And then our high-speed 2-inch.
So this would be drywall applications.
Pretty much.
This is wood applications.
Pretty much.
And this is metal applications.
Right.
These are all specific tools for those
Right.
Gotcha.
So now you could use this for drywall, right? But typically drywallers want to go as fast as they can. Right?
Sure.
So this 5,000 RPM fits that bill.
Sure.
So we kind of made it specific to those.
So it could be used, but it's not its intended use.
Right.
Got
Right.
it.
So what we've done with these, we've also added a button on the low-speed tools to drop it down to 1,600 RPMs.
Okay.
So right there is 2,500. Push the button in. Now it's down to 1,600. That's really beneficial when you get to that heavy steel. so you don't burn the tips up of the bit.
So are we talking 20?
This is pretty
18?
light. This is pretty light here, but when you get into more of that 12, that 14, real thick stuff. You'll see guys doing a lot of feathering, right? Dropping it down to 16.
No need to feather
No need to feather. You already dropped it down. So let me go ahead and show this here. So there you can see the bit stop. So it reached that depth. Okay. So the bit stop. And you got that nice tight. Yeah.
And this is high speed or 6 speed?
So that's right now. That's at 2,500.
God. And then we're on low speed now?
Yep.
And it literally stops perfect depth.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We're not going to overdrive. We're not going to blow out that hole.
Right, and that's the benefit of a depth clutch, right? So you have steel is very different, right? So you got your some steel is a lot more dense in certain spots, even if it's on that same sheet. So having a depth clutch means you're going to get that same drive every time, the same depth every time.
I gotta tell you, that's pretty amazing. What's the cost on this unit?
So these range here about $350 to $370. And that
So
comes
these-
with 2 batteries,
Come with 2 batteries,
2 3-amp-hour batteries, and a new charger.
and they're $350. And this is the deal. For a tool like this, this is for highly specialized work, in my opinion. You're going to be doing this all day, every day. This isn't a multi-use tool, okay? But it's an investment of $350 that's going to make that person that's doing that task all day long much more efficient. They're gonna go through less fasteners. They're gonna blow out less holes. They're gonna get more work done in less time. That means they make more money. It's awesome.
Exactly.
Awesome stuff.
Yeah, so one of the other big benefits we had was reverse, right? So now with our new tools, you're able to do that. We made the triggers better, so it allows reversing a lot easier, back and forth. But now we got the lock unlock, pop it off, boom.
Cool.
So you can take something out real easy. Don't have to go to your belt to get another screw gun. It's all right there.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
So these batteries and chargers,
Yeah.
are they?
They are the latest cell technology, and we have the with the 5-amp-hour charger.
21700s, I would think.
Yes.
The width level.
Yep. So they are the latest charger is also a 5-amp-hour charger, or 5-amp charger. So we go about 0 to 50% in 15 minutes. Full charge, we start tapering off the charge after that to prolong the life of the battery. Full charge takes about an hour.
Okay.
So, like I said, these ship with two batteries. By the time this guy runs out, the other one will be fully charged. Be able to swap back and forth. So real quick, here's the 5,000 RPM tool.
That's pretty awesome. Man, that's really awesome. It's really awesome. Yeah, it's pretty funny. So every week we do what's called a tool test roll on our channel, and people ask, man, you're pretty fast at putting the screws down,
Right.
Because we have, and they're like, do you practice and all? No, we were broke, so we never had the money for collated attachments and all. We had to feed them by hand. So that's how you learn how to be fast.
Right.
But I gotta tell you, you're saying like only $350. You're gonna be if you're setting drywall, or pretty much at this cost, with this speed, you really can't afford not to be. You can't afford not to be using this tool.
Yeah. And like you mentioned earlier too, the no more drop screws. You're not missing half the screws that are on the floor, and then you gotta go back and sweep it up.
Yeah.
So
That's awesome. Ryan, I
pleasure.
appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Listen, if you like not wasting screws and dropping them and wasting money, because pennies add up to dollars, then smash the like button. Also, you're going to want to get subscribed and tap the bell, because we share the latest and greatest information from Stafford for 2019. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Morning, guys. These are nice, man.
It's a good video.
Awesome, man.
I gotta tell you, listen, I appreciate it. Like, you cannot.
Smooth.
It is smooth. You can't force the tool. It does the work.
Yeah.
Like I'm leaning into it.
Right.
Because that's what I'm used to doing. But I'm leaning. You can't overdrive it. Like you're not going to force the tool to go any faster than it's supposed to.
Yep.
It's doing the work for you.
I love the fact that you can just take the cone off and reverse it instead of having to undo it.
Literally, right? I could stand here and exert all extra kind of pressure on this thing. It's a waste of energy. It literally does the job. The tool is doing the job for me. So I could push, but the tool's doing the work. That's the way it should be. That's pretty awesome.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.